Hello everyone, I'm here with the latest question from audience regarding bidding strategy. So let's get started on that. So the query is quite a big, quite a long. So let me make myself even shorter so you guys can see it. Switch from maximize conversions to manual CPC and things went weird. Okay. Uh, okay. I could really use some perspective here because I feel like I broke something and I'm not 100% sure what. I run Google Ads for SaaS product. SaaS means software as a service. Product that targets restaurant and cafe owners. Until recently, I was using maximize conversions. It was actually bringing in steady leads. Nothing crazy, but it was working. Okay, it's good. Last week, I decided to test manual CPC on a few good working keywords, and I also increased my daily budget up to around $100 a day. Since making that change, one of my ad groups started getting more clicks but zero conversions all week. Before the change, that same ad group was converting. At the same time, my other ad group basically stopped showing at all, hardly any impressions since the switch. So now I'm stuck wondering what I did wrong over here. For anyone running Google Ads for SaaS or local business targeting like restaurant, what bidding strategy has worked for best for you lately? Do you stick with the maximize conversion, TCP, or manual bidding? And how long do you usually let performance stabilize after making a switch like this? Okay, so first of all, it's a kind of a weird switch you have done. You actually admit in your post as well. So, in my opinion, I would have done few things, for this. So, because you said that you went from maximize conversions to manual CPC, why the switch was? Why did you switch from maximize conversions to manual CPC? What was the core reason behind it? Because there is practically no point in shifting from maximize conversion, specifically when it's working. If all in all you have to change, I would change bidding strategies uh, to maximize conversions with target CPA. That could work well, or target impression share bidding. I would go with these ones. Now, there is no point with manual CPC. Manual CPC is going to get you clicks but not conversions. You also have to look around for your average ad position. Now that also plays a crucial role over here, that which ad position is working well for you. And regarding this, my question is, are you looking on your search terms? So are you looking on your systems or not? So I think that is another thing as well, which is very crucial. Are you looking on your systems or not? So my opinion is, because there is a huge data of sales over here. So if there is a recent, because after shifting to manual CPC, looking it out on your conversions, search terms, you may realize some keywords as maybe not performing or maybe some new queries. So are you looking on your negative search terms and adding negative keywords? So my opinion is also need to look around this. Okay, another perspective I would have done over here is, apart from doing all of the changes, I may improve ad assets, may add additional assets. I may run retargeting campaigns, so I may look for other opportunities like this. Plus, I will do competitor analysis to see what my competitors are doing. So instead of doing all of the bidding strategy changes, I would have gone with these changes unless and until I can do a full audit of your account and tell you further around. So yeah, these are a few of the things which I suggest you. And definitely, shifting from maximize conversions to manual CPC was not a good choice, and you may need to revert it. And it's not something like you have to wait until it's going to give you results. It's not going to give you results. So I think my recommendation is to reverse it, maximize conversions, give it some time to stabilize, and if you want, follow these strategies for campaign extensions or new areas to get more sales. You can also come up with more deals or something like this. So I hope this answers the questions. And if anyone needs a Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.